Okay, can you hear the sizzle? That's the sizzle of a super hot pan, which is the main thing you got to do. I'm not on here to tell you how to cook this or whatever. I'm just here to show you, what I did. At this point, I'm probably maybe 3 minutes into the cooking process, doing the most important part to me, which is the beautiful blackened tops. I like to get those nice and golden. I usually cook those for about maybe 5 minutes. And then once the tops are done, I flip them over to the skin side down and continue the cooking process until the salmon is done. I don't flip it back over on top because I got the pretty color that I want, and I'm going to leave it at that. I just continue the cooking process skin side down. And that's it. I'll have all the ingredients and cooking times and all that in the description box below. Sorry, this isn't a whole intro, outro thing, but I was just getting this on here just in case anybody wanted to do this and just basically just needed a visual. Thanks. Bye. Enjoy.